In this video, I want to show you how to turn off ChatGPT history. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm on a web version here, so I'm at chatgpt.com. Now, first step is to sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to click into settings. Now, inside of settings, we want to look for the data controls tab. Now, to the right here, this is where we can go ahead and turn off chat history. So where it says improve the model for everyone, we want to go ahead and disable that like so, and then click onto done once you've disabled it. Also, if you want to go ahead and delete all your chats in the history, you can do that here as well. So we can delete all chats. So click on delete all. Now, before you delete them, if you want to export your chats, you can do that. So you can export your chats and it'll get sent to you as an email, I'm pretty certain. Then you can delete all. So basically, once we've turned off the model for everyone, your new chats won't appear in your history sidebar. They won't be used to train models as well. And chats are typically retained for up to 30 days for abuse monitoring before deletion as well.